Members of the Diaz's family were inside their house in Barangay Pasayan when the floodwater began to rise in Batad, Iloilo in the early hours of Wednesday. 64-year-old Alma recounts they all panicked when the water entered their house. They managed to get out and left the casket where his brother's remains lay. Outside, there was strong current. The family were washed away. Of the 6 family members, only Alma survived. Alma tried to save her 12-year-old daughter LG, but failed.
Hindi ko na siya po nakita dahil ang dilim-dilim. Hindi ko na makita. Pero kung maliwanag yun, baka siguro kung naano ko siya dahil marunong pa ako maglangoy eh. Kahit matanda na ako.
Alma shares she was also washed away by the flood, but she managed to hold on to a Madre de Cacao tree.
Nakatingala ko sa langit. Panginoon, tulungan mo ako. Bigyan mo pa ako ng lakas ng loob. Tapos nakita ko yung kahoy po. Ganon yung dahon. Lumangoy ako tapos kumapit. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako bibitiw hanggat may lakas ako. Ano ko yung sarili ko. Isalba ko yung sarili ko. Pero sabi ko, wala na yan ako. Napaluha na lang ako.
Alma clung to the tree for almost 3 hours until rescue came at about 5 a.m. The bodies of LG, Alma's nephew Roel, and his 3 children were found Wednesday afternoon. 10-year-old Ferdy Boy DL, who was at that time with the Diaz's household, survived.
Hindi na kami katubig, kasi nakabunggo ko to, kasi nakakapot ko sa kuwayan. Gulpi lang pagampas katubig, mga pagkakanod naman.
In Poblacion Sur, Balasan, Iloilo, Argel Burhaso and others were also washed away with a sudden rush of flood water. They managed to take a video of their situation at that time while clinging onto a mango tree.
At ng San Domingo na lang kami nagkupo kay madalom na gid siya ya. Kibo na wiring, ang wiring na kakuryente gali off. Amo na mo ning kaptan ma'am para makatabok lang kami sa tabok naman nga karsada.
An old woman who was with them did not survive. Nina Armilio, UNTV, News and Rescue, Philippines.